What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and this is a Soundcore AeroFit 2 Pro, and it's definitely a very unique set of earbuds because it features a 2-in-1 dual form design. And what that means is that you can actually use it as an open ear design or with active noise cancellation in one earbud. So if you're trying to decide whether you needed one for sports, athletic, daily wear, or your daily commute, or public transport, then you have all of those needs covered in one earbud that comes in at a price point under $200 retail, but if you use my link down below, you can pick it up for $149.99 before the end of March. As you can probably see here, I have some extras, so if you want to win one, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, leave a comment down below as to what your favorite feature is, along with your Instagram username so we can contact you, and a huge thanks to Soundcore for sponsoring this video. So I've had plenty of experience with Soundcore products in the past, and one thing that is consistent throughout the entire lineup is just how good of a value that you are getting for a product that has solid hardware, solid software and app customization, great connectivity, great sound quality, and ANC that punches above its weight class when it comes to the price. You no longer need to choose between being aware of your surroundings or blocking out the world around you. Through wearing it in LA, to walking around the city with a coffee, and being in noisier parts as well, and testing out all of the different modes, I really feel like this is the perfect urban earbud for a user that does find themselves switching between a transparency mode and an active noise canceling mode option, but wants the flexibility of a true open ear design with an athletic style clip. For the hardware, you have the touch controls and the microphones. You also have the actual adjustment here that has 5 distinct positions. Position 1 and 2 is the open ear mode. 3 is set to like a neutral, depending on what mode you had it in before, to prevent any false adjustments. And position 4 and 5 automatically activates ANC mode. The algorithm running on the Pro checks 380 times per second to adjust its level of noise cancellation on the fly. So if you're going about your day and you're going for a walk, for example, in a city like, I would say, New York, you want to be able to enjoy your surroundings for a little bit, but you've entered a place that is loud, or you're getting on the subway, you can easily adjust that, and I'm going to show you right now. So when you put the earbuds in, you're able to just like tilt it around, and in the open ear mode, it leaves a bit of a gap between your ear canal and the actual driver, and then when you adjust to the other position, it will then push it into your ear a little bit more. And so I find that to be a very unique and revolutionary technology. And as you can see, it actually fits the ear quite nicely in my case. It's not gonna be for everyone. They say about 90%, but they also have a 30-day money back guarantee. And so if you take a look at how it nestles in my ear, it is very much a hybrid design. It's not like a typical earbud with a stem, but at the same time, it is not like a clip-on. And so I feel like this is more than just a dual use, but instead a triple use case. It has an IP55 water and dust resistant rating, so you don't have to worry about that. But I would say the general feel of the earbuds is quite light, and it moves away from a lot of the typical pressure points that are found in the bottom of the ear, for example, and instead floats along the top of the ear, with most of the weight being on the piece in the back here. As for the actual performance, it features high-res audio certification and LDAC support with 11.8mm composite drivers, spatial audio and head tracking, and I would say the performance overall was quite solid. I really like open earbuds. I've been using them a bit more often, and I feel like if you're just sitting at your desk at home by yourself and you want to listen to music, you don't want to feel like you're enclosed in a space, but instead have your ears have the opportunity to breathe. And so I've been using different clip earbuds as well as options from Soundcore as well. And bringing them together, I think makes a lot of sense because it is usually the same use demographic, but instead you usually have 2 pairs of earbuds for that. The sound quality is pretty solid as well, and you have the opportunity to customize all of the EQ and sound signatures through the Soundcore app as you would from their other product offerings. And I've always really liked how you can either go with the Soundcore signature, have more bass and more treble, but in this case, the 360 spatial audio has the options between a music and a movie mode, and the choice between fixed or head tracking. The music mode is one that gives you more of a closed soundstage, whereas the movie mode gives you more of a dimensional sound that gives you that surround experience. On the other hand, the spatial and the head tracking worked decently, definitely not the best, but having spatial audio built in was definitely an enhancement to the sound experience depending on the genre that you're listening to. If you're using it in the open form, then it will last about 7 hours on a single charge. And if you use it in active noise cancellation, you get about 5 hours. And with the included case, you can get up to 34 hours total, and it has fast charging. So at the end of the day, what do I think of this open form earbud that has a 2-in-1 experience? And I honestly think it sounds really good and delivers solid active noise cancellation for its price point. The battery life is pretty decent, but with all of the features, the app controls, the high-res audio, and the large driver that makes it function great as both an in-ear and open-ear design, I was pretty impressed throughout our relatively versatile use cases of a week in life of travel in a busy city. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll drop a link down below once again with the discount, which is a limited time discount, and I'll see you all in the next one.